Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Bluetooth audio receivers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CoolStream Duo Bluetooth Adapter for iPhone. Next, we have got CoolStream Duo here. Are you the one who requires Bluetooth connectivity for your car stereo that includes aux jack, stereo receiver, or wired headphones? It comes with a rechargeable battery for continuous 5 hours of streaming. Moreover, it also includes an audio cable for 3.5mm aux jack. Well, this receiver from CoolStream allows you to plug them directly inside the Duo through its built-in aux jack. You can use this to play the music from both Android and iPhone, and that is really impressive. The best thing is that this comes with a 1-year warranty which you can use when you have any problems with the products. Furthermore, you can connect your device with this thing over a range of 30 feet, which is quite wide. Moving on, at number 4, we have the OneMe B06 Pro long-range Bluetooth receiver. Next up, we have got a product from a company called OneMe Store. This Bluetooth receiver can be a really good assistant for you in your daily life. It comes with a really impressive connecting range which is up to 197 feet, and that is really far. With Bluetooth 5 technology, you can listen to your music clearly without any frequency noise or any disturbing noise. In addition, it comes with 2 antennas, and they can also improve the stabilization of the connection as well. This also comes with 3D audio that allows you to listen to the surround sound content. There is a really useful thing equipped to the device, and that is the 3.5mm aux port, which most people really need these days. At number 3, we have the Universal Bluetooth Car Kit Handsfree 3.5mm Streaming Car A2DP Wireless aux Audio Music Receiver Adapter. Are you looking to have a Bluetooth audio receiver that presents wide compatibility with the majority of smartphones and Bluetooth-enabled gadgets? In the 6th ranking of this article, we are going to talk about this receiver that is from FlyOneEar. It is known that this sound receiver is intended to attain sound output from mobile phones or even the transmitters that incorporate Bluetooth wireless technology. You can listen to music from your iOS and Android devices on the speaker in the car or the one at home. It is compatible with most devices, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, etc. Moreover, you also get a 3.5mm aux port, which most people usually need. The quality of the audio is really close to the original one. Speaking about its battery, this can last for 10 hours for continuous use. You can put it in standby mode for 120 hours. At number 2, we have the Logitech Bluetooth Audio Adapter for Bluetooth streaming. As most people have already known that Logitech is one of the most trusted companies in the world that creates technology things. Now you can make the most of the car radio using this receiver from Logitech. All you need to do is simply connect this Bluetooth audio receiver and relish the playlists from the control of your mobile devices. It comes with Bluetooth 4.1, which is not the best, but that is acceptable and okay. This thing is compatible with both smartphones and tablets, which is really flexible. Another great thing you need to know is that this Logitech Bluetooth receiver can be connected in a range of 50 feet. That is quite interesting, right? Additionally, there is also a 3.5mm aux port coming with this device, and that is the thing that most people still need. And finally, at number 1, we have the HomeSpot NFC-Enabled Bluetooth Audio Receiver for Sound System. Without wasting more of your time, we would really like to showcase this awesome product from a company called HomeSpot. You will be amazed how easily you can play music wirelessly directly from your mobile device on different devices using this thing. This Bluetooth audio receiver seamlessly connects to an audio, video receiver, speaker, and home stereo system. For using it, you just need to plug it inside your stereo. Now connect to the required device using a single press of a button or through NFC. If you are looking for an affordable Bluetooth audio receiver with great functionality, go for this one. This thing comes with Bluetooth 4.0, which is not the best nowadays, but it is acceptable. However, there is a very good thing about this receiver, and that is about the Bluetooth connecting range. You can connect your device with this within a range of 66 feet, which is quite impressive. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.